Last year, I was in a different state. I was just contemplating where I was going on in my next relationship, who I wanted to be, and whether or not I wanted to continue living. It sounds dramatic, but I've always struggled feeling at home. Whether it was in my own body, in my relationships, or in my physical space. I never felt at home. When the time came for me to finally move out of my parents' house, decide not to go back to fashion school, and go public in my previously secret relationship, it was an opportunity. An opportunity to finally be at home, at peace, content with myself, who I am, what I loved, who I loved, and just be me. It's funny how divine timing works, that in the midst of all of those decisions I needed to make, this house, this room, opened up for me, and I'm so blessed and so grateful that God brought me here to have this space, to have a glimpse of what home could have been growing up. I know my room looks like a cool kid's room, but it's home. It looks like me. Everything I have in this room, I try to make sure that it has joy, that it sparks joy. And also just dreams and aspirations I have, not just for my life, for my spirituality, and my relationships, but also for this channel. I wanted to start earlier in the year to bring back my SweetAsElle channel. For reasons or another, it never happened. And now that I've got the time, the freedom, the tech even, to finally make this work, it's finally happening. And I hope that whenever you come to see my channel and whenever you come to watch a video, whenever you even come into a glimpse of my life here on SweetAsElle, I hope you feel at home. I hope you feel like you're living the moment with me. This is home. And hopefully on this channel, this will be home for you too. I hope you join me on this journey as I continue to pursue the sweetest and most abundant light. And it starts here at home, and hopefully with you guys here. Thanks, sweeties. It's good to be back. It's good to be home.